Alright, y'all, today's video is about Midwest safety. Irresponsible mom takes daughter on police chase.
You got a camera. Watch out, watch out. Hold on. Kate, watch out. Stop. You got that. You got that. Oh, it almost hit us. It's going
Why is she running?
east on Geneva at Cook right now, south on Cook. It'd be 1080 just so you know. We got hang on. That's my siren. Hold on. Oh, it's going to go in north on Madison at Geneva.
Somebody get some stop sticks down this.
Oh, just hold the traffic. We're going around in circles at this point. We're at Geneva at Cook again. And I think we're going to be making a right, south on Cook.
While these two officers follow the suspect closely, another officer joins the pursuit behind them. They then realize the suspect is leading them around the block in a loop.
Get some stop sticks down somewhere.
Oh, let's get stop sticks somewhere, or if we could... She's going around the same way, right? If you're near, see if we can block her off, please.
Sticks right in front of the library. Just gonna keep doing the same thing.
Okay, we're on Geneva again, going back.
Oh, she intoxicated.
So if we can get her boxed in, that would be the greatest plan.
Go, 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 go.
Here she comes. Ran right over.
Stop sticks right there, Chief. Hold on.
Got him.
Hold on. Yep.
Isn't there supposed to be a string? He just pulls it back from?
Got him. Careful, Teach. Careful.
Yep.
Careful.
Y'all completely passed her up.
Hey, please, get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car right now. Ma'am, get out of the car.
This is the suspect's daughter who just exited the vehicle.
Show me your hands. Show me your hands. You're okay, sweetie. You're okay. Chief, grab the kid. No. Nope. Hey, hold on.
Ooh. Oh, the truck boxed her in. I was wondering why she stopped.
Take the car, go.
Well, she losing the kid.
I got it.
Ain't no way she go right back. This officially is the dumbest chase.
The suspect yet again loops around the same block, returning to where they just were.
She just hit that car.
Crash.
Ooh.
Ray, I'm coming up behind you.
Geneva, I'm pinning.
Now his car getting messed up.
Get the f*** out of the car right now! Get out of the car! 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 Get the f*** down on the ground! Get 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 out of the car! It's gonna be smoky! Get out of the... Get on the ground!
You're on the ground, Ray.
What are you doing?
EMS coming. Okay. There's more kids in there. Hey, Jason, go find Chief. He's got a kid that was in the car.
I gotta know, what was her reason for running? That girl had no room in that car. It was like they was living in the car. She was like homeless. We see the damage, my guy.
Are you injured?
No.
Okay.
Ray, you okay?
I'm good.
You okay?
Yep. I just pinned.
I feel like she had a mental episode. She probably losing everything.
So, take some pictures, please. Yep. Thank you. Man, what's your first name? Alicia. Alicia, what's going on today? My name's Katie, okay? Is there anything we could help you out with? Are you okay?
Can you take these handcuffs off?
I can't, unfortunately. What's going on today?
I'm just trying to wake up from a really bad dream.
Okay. Okay.
I'm trying to wake up from a really bad dream and we're all living in the Matrix.
Tweaking.
I copy. She just told me she's trying to wake up from a bad dream.
I'm not crazy.
Okay,
I'm
we're not saying
We're
that.
just, no. We're just worried about you.
Yeah.
We're just worried about you, okay? Is there anybody else in the car?
No, you have my daughter.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Seemed like you were just kind of stuck in a loop there. Are you okay?
I'm absolutely fine, sir.
Okay. We're all gonna take some deep breaths, okay? Where are you from?
Well, I don't actually have a place to stay right now.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm
Can I move you to your butt so then we can chat here?
I would prefer to stay right here.
Perfect. That works for me. What's your name again?
My name is Alicia.
Okay, hi. I'm Ray. Sorry we kind of meet like this. I think your car is pretty
You should still move
damaged
on
here.
her side.
Just to make sure that we're safe here. I know the passenger or all the airbags
So she
deployed.
can breathe.
It looks like you got some your blood on your mouth. Are you injured at all? Are you?
No, I'm not.
No? Okay. Do you have like an ID on you or anything in the car here?
My ID is in the car.
It's in the car. Okay.
Mom's okay, all right? You want a sticker?
You know, like those like sticky tape.
Yeah.
I used to watch like this guy. He used to put like tape on it, and then it was bad. He was like screaming.
Ow. Yeah, that does hurt.
Whose car is this?
This is my vehicle.
Is
But you got your daughter
is it registered
watching.
to you too?
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm not really sorry, though.
No, it's all good.
Dang.
Does this happen a lot?
No, this is the first time for sure.
First time. Okay.
Yeah, maybe it's happened one other time.
One other time. Up in Edgerton or somewhere else?
I'm not really sure because I have PTSD and CPTSD and my memories aren't that great.
Okay. Is there any weapons in the car for my safety here?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. No, like firearms.
I don't have any firearms, no.
Okay. Are you okay?
Hi, my name's Tim. I'm with the fire department. What happened?
I was driving in a bunch of circles repeatedly, and then I crashed into this vehicle because I was going too fast.
Okay. Any alcohol today?
No, sir.
Okay. Any drugs?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
What drugs did you take today?
Cocaine and ketamine.
Cocaine and ketamine? Okay.
Sheesh.
Do you know how much?
I really don't, honestly.
Okay. Do you have it on you right now?
Yes, sir, I do.
Where's
She
that?
got 2 felonies.
For my person there?
Okay. You okay if we check you out in the ambulance? Make sure you're not hurt?
No, that's alright, I'm good.
Alright, I think we should check you out though.
No, I'm cool.
How about we just take you in the ambulance and check you out? We'll check your
Okay.
vitals, make sure you're all
Nah, I'm
good.
good. I need this by a little longer.
Will you stand up if we help you?
Not right now, I just need a second.
Search her.
I have not searched her, no.
I'm gonna have you roll up on your side here, okay? You ready to stand up with me? I'm gonna get you on
I
your
just
butt,
need
okay?
one more second, please.
Can I get you on your butt at least?
No, I just
so
need
your
a
face.
second. Please, I just need 1 second.
All right, here we go. On your butt. Or on your feet. Okay, there you go. Yep. Thanks. Can I have you sit right here? There we go. Swing your feet up on there for us. Excellent. You have any pain right now?
After bringing her in the ambulance, Alicia refused medical services. Officers then bring her to a nearby hospital and prepare to do field sobriety testing.
Do you wear prescription glasses or
She's failing
contacts?
all them field sobriety tests.
Do your
Oh, no,
prescription
I'm sorry.
glasses. No, it's okay. I figured I'd ask. So I'm going to move my finger from side to side. I want you to focus right here on the tip of my finger, and then don't move your head. Just follow with your eyes. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? I think you might be answering.
I'm sorry, I was just overthinking.
That's okay. Do you understand, though, what I'm saying?
Yes, I can understand the words you're saying, but I can't concentrate right now.
I understand there's probably a lot of stuff going through your mind. Don't move your head. Just follow my finger.
Tweaking.
We're almost done. Alicia, right here. Okay? Right here.
I'm sorry, can I have a moment?
Yeah.
I'm just...
Yeah, tell me.
She should have refused them texts.
I'm going to have you stand back up so we can complete the test, unless you don't want to complete the test.
Honestly, I don't...
All you have to do is just do your best, okay?
I'm sorry,
Okay.
could you repeat that?
Just do your best. That's all you have to do, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so where we left off was follow my finger right here. Don't move your head, just your eyes. All right, so the next test is a walking and a balancing test. Just watch me as I explain and demonstrate the test. You understand so far?
Could you repeat that? I just didn't hear.
Yeah, just watch me as I show you how to do the test. So watch me as I do it.
All this is being recorded
Can I
now.
have just a second?
No,
Again.
we're kind of done with the seconds here,
Yeah.
okay? All right, so when I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line. You're going to do a turn, and you're going to do 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Go ahead and begin.
Dang.
Okay, we're running out of room here, so we'll kind of call it there, okay?
Over the next 5 minutes, Alicia performed another test in which she performed just as well as the first two.
She was just trying to
then
give you
offered
more
to take a
evidence that
breathalyzer
she's
test and
sober.
refused.
Based on how the performance of the test goes, I don't think that you're safe to operate a motor vehicle, okay? So I do have to put you under arrest for driving under the influence.
Not driving under the influence or something,
Okay.
no?
Okay.
All right, that's the video. So she got a felony for driving with her child in the vehicle. Pretty sure that child was less than 12. She got a felony for evading in a motor vehicle. And that's pretty much all her charges, I would say. But she need I feel like she was going through a hard time. And because she lives in her car and she's trying to take care of her kid. So she resorted to drugs. Hope she get her life together.